Hey guys, it's like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. I can't sleep. So I'm gonna show you how I have this all set up with my kids already sleeping, because I have an idea for figuring out how to automate my Pinterest pinning for my content that I do on the side. So what I'm gonna show you is how I'm using Cloud Code, how I'm using Obsidian, and then what my setup is, and it's crazy. I will tell you that because I am a product manager at a big tech company, I know how to use AWS services, I know how to do DynamoDB, I know how to do EventBridge and AWS to schedule like cron jobs and stuff, and I completely over-architected it. So I'm going to show you what Claude is doing for me right now. All right, forgive me, I have a 49-inch monitor. This is Obsidian, and as you can see here, I have basically said, hey, here are my problem statements of my collages. I have a VA that creates collages. I just want to be able to create ideas and have me like create, Amazon idea list, gives me the description, the title, whatever, right? And I had all these issues, and then it summarized some of the issues. I copied and pasted from Cloud Code, but like it basically said, hey, here's what we're gonna build, right? And then it says what gets killed: 5 EventBridge rules, 3 Lambdas, 2 DynamoDB. You guys, I completely over-architected this with Cloud Code in a previous life before 4.6 came out. And so now what I have, I told you guys I use Ghosty. This is Ghosty, okay? 3 versions of it. This one's like for me to learn stuff. This one's actually doing the code. I'm gonna let it just go ahead and real quick go through, keep on coding it. And then this is, I guess, like if I have another idea that I'm spawning at the moment. I love Obsidian because here I've got all these ideas for a lot of my projects. I've got like a section here you can see for what my strategy and vision is for the business, like learning about LLMs, and then these are like my drafted spec ideas that I have, my floating ideas that I haven't like figured out yet. For instance, I want one to do a weekly check-in here, but then there's these floating ideas where I have like a SWOT app, like a SWOT analysis app that I want to work on, my second brain, product manager ideas, daily morning brief. These are all little like apps or commands that I want to go create within Claude. So this is how I'm working right now. Let me just tell you, Obsidian is my new best friend. It's going to replace Notion for me, and it's also going to replace OneNote.